In Texas, Friday nights matter. Because when the lights come on, excuses go dark. Building for our communities is no different. There are no do-overs, no overtime, no one else to blame. Too often, construction feels like a busted play. Too many contracts, too many handoffs, not enough accountability. But Performance Services delivers the Texas way. Right the first time. Design build means one contract. No change orders, no surprises, no finger pointing. Guaranteed. We take sole accountability, so you know who's got the ball. For small town stadiums, municipal buildings, or schools across the state, from West Texas to the Gulf Coast, from DFW to the Hill Country, we help schools serve students and help cities serve communities with projects that perform on time, on budget, and built to last. Our team is here, ready to provide master planning, community engagement, design, and construction management. We're backed by national strength, but we're driven by Texas grit. This is home. These aren't buildings, they're promises to communities counting on you to deliver. When it's fourth and goal for your project, you want a partner who finishes strong. Let's build something that lasts. Together.